हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू बैंकिंग अफेयर्स। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस important defense exercise which held in August 21. Okay, from this video may one or two question come in your RRB PO and RRB clerk exam. So let's start this video without any delay. Okay, so first question, Aussie Index naval exercise between India and which country? So this is Aussie Index, India and Australia. Next question, Simbex 21 naval exercise held between India and Singapore. Okay, Singapore. Next, Indra 21 military exercise recently held between India and Russia. Okay, India and Russia. Next question, Jat Talwar naval exercise held between India and which country? So this is UAE, United Arab Emirates. Okay, United Arab Emirates. अगला क्वेश्चन, India conducted first ever naval exercise Al Mohid Al Hindi 21 with which country? So this is Saudi Arab. Recently, India and Saudi Arab conducted first ever naval exercise called Al Mohid Al Hind. Make this question very important, so mark very important in your notebook. Okay. So next question, Indian Navy participated in the US Navy led Southeast Asia Cooperation and Training called CCAT military exercise between India exercise which held in. So इस CCAT एक्सरसाइज को US की नेवी लीड कर रही है जो सिंगापुर में होगी. ओके, हुई. इंडियन नेवी, इंडियन एंड विच कंट्री recently participated in the exercise called Conquer 21. So this is UK. Okay, United Kingdom. Next question, in August 21 the Indian Navy has carried out a bilateral maritime exercise with which country in South China Sea? So this is Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam. Next, second edition of joint naval exercise Jair al Bahar between Indian Navy and which country? So this is Qatar. Okay, Qatar. Kajin 21 naval joint military exercise between Indian Navy, Indian Army and which country? So this is Kazakhstan. Kajin 21 army military exercise between Indian and Kazakhstan army. Okay. Next question, recently Indian Navy held a naval exercise in Gulf of Aden near Yemen with which country? So this is Germany. Okay, Germany. Next, which force of the country recently conducted week-long counter-terrorism exercise titled Gondiu from August 22 to 28? So this is NSG. NSG stands for National Security Guard. Okay. Next, Indian Navy warship has recently conducted military drill with which country in South China, in East China Sea? So this is South Korea. Okay, South Korea. Next, which Indian naval ship recently participated in military exercise with the frontline frigate of the Italian Navy? So this is India's Tabar ship participated in frontline frigate of Italian Navy. Okay. Next, India, Sri Lanka and which country hold virtual trilateral exercise which called TTX? So India, Sri Lanka and Maldives hold virtual trilateral exercise called TTX. Okay. So we cover all very important question related to defense exercise. From this video, one or two question may come in RRB PO and clerk. So watch this video. I am going to end this video. So thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day. Thank you.